you may have seen before a version of this, but it's a really important chart, and it's one that we use all the time to help communicate to others who maybe don't have the depth of understanding around asset reliability and performance that reliability engineering folk may. That really the opportunity to make significant performance and cost improvements to a plant or new assets that are being installed is really early in the project life cycle. So right back at concept design and advanced planning, that phase of the project is really where we get the opportunity to explore different options that enable us to save significant amounts of money and also, improve our performance. So you can see that dotted blue line up the top that starts at 100% across through the project phases, which is the opportunity for the cost savings, really drops down quite quickly through the early stages of the project through to when we're in production, construction and/or production. We have much less opportunity to influence the cost and performance outcomes of the assets we have. And it's quite interesting because most of our time as reliability engineering people and asset managers, etc., we spend most of our time obviously working with assets that we already own, but they're already in the production phase. And so we understand the challenge of trying to reduce cost expenditure, extend asset life and get more reliable performance is really quite an art form once we already have the assets and already in an existing facility. So this webinar is all about, well, how do we actually make a dent into that much earlier in the life cycle? How do we do the right reliability based things early in the life cycle of the project, as opposed to leaving